All right, I'm pretty much aware that this is gonna look like hot trash, so I really don't want to show you this, but I'm going to. Today we're gonna be working on the roof. We have Dicor lap sealant. If you're gonna do anything on your roof for your RV or your van or anything, this is the stuff you wanna get. So this is the gray version. I don't think it really matters because it's going on my roof. We're gonna be fixing the roof that the previous owner of the van installed the fan, and then he used like a tape on it. We're gonna use the lap sealant. It's a lot better. It'll sink into holes and stuff like that. I'm doing this all because my van started leaking. Let's check it out. All right, as you guys can see right here, this is where it's kind of leaking through. It's pretty much just sitting on the exterior of this rim. And I have a towel down here because it's leaking on the towel. So we're gonna go ahead and get on the roof and make sure this thing doesn't leak anymore. So this is what we're gonna fix, is this tape. Because this was probably put on about 4 or 5 years ago, maybe 4 years ago, this tape is starting to wear and the water's starting to get and channel underneath and then leaking down. So we're gonna fix this. There's a guy blowing over here, I hope you can hear me. This stuff is virtually impossible to take off. This might take a little while. Okay, I got some plastic tools. These are like car trim tools. Hopefully this helps a little bit more. Oh yeah, way easier. You guys gotta get these things if you have to take off this stuff. You know when you start some projects that you know you shouldn't have started? That's this one. Okay, there's good news and there's bad news. The good news is that I double checked and went up into the fan up here, and it looks like right here, it's just like condensation. There's just moisture that's building up there, and then it's slowly dripping onto the brim. The bad news is I tore most of that tape that was sealing the top of the fan. I tore most of that off. Now I have to go up there, seal what I messed up because it was already sealed. And I also have to clean out the inside and clean all the seals on the inside so that it'll actually be weather tight. So now I'm going through and I'm basically cleaning everything on the fan. Like, this is what it should look like. And I don't know if you can see this little dark piece right there. That's what it used to look like. It was really bad. I let this thing run all summer and it basically just got filthy. So all the seals are dirty. I'm gonna clean all the seals, clean everything, and then I'm gonna wash the van. This started as an update on how to seal the top of the fan, and now it's turning into like a MaxxAir fan cleaning session. I've done the fan blades, and now it's time to clean this out. We've cleaned all this out. Now we need to go up top, undo the top of it, and clean all the seals on the top. All right, I'm pretty much aware that this is gonna look like hot trash, so I really don't want to show you this, but I'm going to. Okay, we cleaned it. We put lap sealant up top, cleaned all the seals. The last thing to do is to lubricate this metal bearing on the inside of the fan. And so I'll just lubricate this little rod right here so that it spins nice and smooth, and then I'm pretty much done. Nice and clean. Now we're gonna turn it on, see if she works. Hey, thanks for sticking with me on this thing. If you're into MaxxAir fans, awesome. If not, thanks for hanging out. If you guys like this, go ahead and hit the like button. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, think about doing that. We'll leave a link right here. If you haven't seen our van conversion and how we built this awesome thing, check out this playlist. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one.